Hi all. Okay, so let's start this off. Now I'm going to show you some stuff that I got on from Amazon. Some stuff is craft related, some not. Now I know you're like, well, why are you showing me stuff that's not craft related? Because, okay, when I'm in my group with my girls and I'm posting and stuff, and they up there like, hey, a lot of that stuff don't be craft related, but it'll be something they want to check out. So I'm like, instead of just not, because I'm no longer going to be doing it in the group, I'm gonna just be posting. I'm like, I might as well just keep on doing what I was doing. Some of y'all will get it, some of y'all won't. Just fast forward to something you see and you're like, okay, so look. Now, I'm about to show you something that I've been using for years. And when I tell you it's fabulous. See, this is how you like massage cream? This stuff is so good, it's not even joking. And it warms up and it heats up. And put this on them thighs, put that on that stomach. Now, I've been walking back in the park for 3 weeks now. Now, normally I use my cream and I go walking. But I saw this thing online and I was like, let me buy this. Let me try this. And I tried it out for 2 weeks now, or 10 days. Let me put it like this. I would order 2 more. Just because, and I know you're like, why? Because Amazon, I don't know if y'all been noticing, been playing this game with you. Remember when you used to be able to put stuff in your cart, and even it would be in there so long, you'd be like, shoot, I forgot I even put that in my cart. Amazon not playing with you now. You put that stuff in your cart and you don't buy it, go back now. It's not even in there. And you're like, well, what happened? And what they say, oh, it's no longer available. Or you go back and the price is completely different. And we're not talking about something that was $5.99 and now it's $6.99. No, I'm talking about it was $5.99 when you put in your cart. When you check again, it's now $16.99. And that's why I also list the prices, because I also had a tab open where I wasn't signed into my Prime account versus me signed in. And when I tell you them prices is so scandalously different, y'all better get that Prime and stop playing. But back to me. So, like I said, been using this, but let me show you. Now, when I first got it, I was like, what the heck is this? Because it looks, look. I'm like, am I about to do a dance with this? Now, this is the one I've been using. But like I said, I ordered 2 more, and I wanted to show y'all. They come in these cute little bags like this. And like I said, I don't, look, I'm sorry, I'm not one of them YouTubers be like, oh, I'm going to just be buying stuff like crazy and posting. And no, I buy the stuff that I use. And that's it. And I don't mean use, and if I'm not happy with it. If I use something and I'm not happy with it, y'all will never know, because I'm not posting that up. So, this is how it looks, right? Now, let me show you, y'all, how I put it on, and how I, number one, like I said, I put my cream on, right? And I put my cream in the thighs and everything, y'all. Because you got to work all that, child. Y'all don't want you to think, look. I'm not trying to be hot girl summer, but I be bent, doggone. So, yeah, now, this... That's that part. Now, see how smooth this is? Now, this is how I do it. And like I said, I've been walking with this on, and I've been loving it. Now, I don't put this thing tight as heck, because like I said, I need to breathe, function, sit down, get up, eat. I'm not trying to be up there, like, suffering. So, like I said, I put it on. I hope y'all can see, because, you know, that's the fun of short people. Now, you can have it over your shirt or underneath it. I have it skin to skin. But I do it like this. And, yeah, with my tag like this and with the, here. I know y'all like, that's not how it's supposed to go. Are y'all listening to me? This is how I do it. And I make it an even around. And then I slowly take it up. And like I said, I don't stretch this too tight where it becomes uncomfortable. And then I keep overlapping so it's like an even thing. And then you see, that's the soft part on this side. Look. And then I take it. You looking? Are you looking, y'all? I'm hoping I put it on right, because I can't even see. But I hope y'all see what I'm saying. And then I go walking. Soon as I start walking, you feel that heat in your core from having that on. And you walking and you burning. And then guess what? Hey. Now, like I said, if this is not something you're interested in, that's okay. I'm still putting the links in there. They $5.99. Y'all know what I'm trying to tell y'all? I'm saying. Alright, so here we go with this. Now, I had gotten these because, like I said, y'all know I got all these pens, right? Now, I'm gonna keep shoving this down y'all throat until y'all realize this. Okay, let's talk about me. Do you know how many wax pencils I have purchased over what has this been? These 5 years span? Because you go, well, wait, you wasn't customized before that? Yeah, and guess what I was using? Tweezers. Let's not talk about them times. Them were some dark times, y'all. But do you know how many times I've purchased and purchased and purchased? Okay. Now let's look at this. This is 75 of these. And I paid $3.99 for them. And you go, oh, you're going to need a bunch of these. But no. Because what I showed y'all. And I'm going to also be doing a live when I customize that hat. Not a live, but I'm going to be doing a video customizing that hat. And we're going to watch how many times I have to do this while I'm doing that whole hat, because I want to see for myself. Because when I'm doing the customizing thing I'm doing with Joe and I on a roll. Let me show you. Now, I'm not doing this in celebration of the 4th of July. I'm doing it because I wanted to. But do you see? Yeah. So that's where I'm at. If you all are doing this dotting thing, let me know how far you got with it. And let me know, does it actually help y'all with y'all stress? Because it helps me with mine. So like I said, you peel the top off, and you just, I want to show you one with the clearer tool so that you can see what I'm saying. Hold on. Because I want you to see how it looks. Okay. See how that's already in there? And that means I'm going to be using that for a while. Now let me get one of the other tips, because I had just did the video showing me using these. So hold on a second. Because I got them all over organized now, so I'm like, which one got which size tips in it? I love these. I hope y'all get these things from Dollar Tree. I love spinning this thing. Look, I love it. Okay, here we go. Let me get my, look, hold on. Let me just get my blank thing. Put that right there so I'm able to put them back when I'm finished. I know y'all like showing off. Show, right? But back to, I am so stupid, y'all. So see how this doesn't have anything in it? Now I'm going to try to hold this so I can keep it. Look, up on my phone. And then rock it. Now put it down. Do you see? That's all you need. And do you know how many stones you're going to place with just that? Do you see how many stones you're going to place with that? And then you just use this little piece right here. And I'm going to say it again. This is $75 for $3.99. Think about how many wax pencils you done bought if you like me. And I'm keeping that little, yeah. See this thing I got with the other order? Y'all, I'm keeping this thing. Look. Keep putting my stuff in here. My little ones in it. Look. You're welcome. Alright, now this is the thing. Okay, now y'all know in the other video I showed y'all the hats that I had got from, the sun visors that I got from Dollar Tree that I'm like, y'all already know I'm going to be icing them out. Just call this Jelly Summer, because all jelly going to go on it. Now, I was going to go back to City Trends because I even told Joe I want to spray paint it. So, I've already painted it white. But if I get close, y'all remember this is the one with the butterflies. Come on. Can you see the butterflies? I didn't. Okay, maybe not. This is the one with the butterflies. And so I did it white, and y'all see I'm already. Oh yeah, y'all see I did the white. I told y'all I got every color jelly, and I'm doing 2 in the red and purple because the first person I told y'all in the video. Let's play the game. What color should I use? The first person that said what? I'm like, you know I'm doing it. But I was gonna go back to City Trends, right? But then I was on the phone with Joe, and I'm not gonna lie, I was lazy. I was like, I don't feel like going out in the sun. I'm like, let me check Amazon. Let me just put let me just put this up because I had already had it up, but I changed it over so I can look at the hot cream, because the one I have 2. I have this bottle. This bottle is $14, but I also have the jar of the same thing in a cream like this, and it's $9.99. I'm gonna put both the links up. But right quick, let me just tell you about these hats. This is a 10-pack, and it like you could have the different color mismatch, or you could have all colors. And I'm sorry, you can get like 10 of them for 15. They had so many different varieties of these hats in packs where I'm up there like, I ain't going back. I love City Trends, but I always told you, if I can get more for cheaper. So I paid $26 for these, and for me, that was worth it because of what they, y'all know I can't wait to show y'all these. I already knew I was shook, but I just need you, and yes, y'all, they already ready for my, do y'all understand they already ready for my transparent jellies, baby? Look, that means I could put any color on here. You understand? That means I could just go straight, you know, clear E6000, clear Gorilla Glue the whole route, and okay, let me stop. But do you all see that? And they, oh, and I'm sorry, they are the exact same as the City Trends ones. Please know this. Same thing. And oh, and I'm sorry, I also told you, said they have them with the black. They have the black ones, they have the blue, you know, where it goes across here, this color right here, and then they have these and all different colors. I was up there like, y'all, if y'all don't, I'm already trying to let you know how I'm gonna be with these on. That bling gonna be lit. Look, what my mom used to say, my mom and my dad used to go out and she'd be dressed up, and her and my dad would have the matching hats on, because I don't know why they used to dress alike all the time. Funny story, I'm about to be 50. I have never dressed identical to a man in my life. Let me know, have you, all woman, let me know, have you? And if you haven't, let me know that too. Am I the only one? I was just like, that's cute, but I don't want to do that. But back to this, what I'm saying, my mom used to say, her and my dad used to have they hats cocked deuce to the side. And I used to be like, all right. So yeah, so they came, I mean, their package was great. Look, they came really well. None was cracked, none of this. It was all perfect. And I'm loving all of them. And you already know, as I always say, what did I say, y'all? If I got the links, they're going to be in that description. All I ask, please just click the like. And like I said, if you like the video, just say, hey, I like the video. I would appreciate that. And if you got any friends, be like, hey, there's this weird chick on YouTube, but she's cool. Subscribe. Bye, y'all. Oh, and really, really quick, I forgot to tell you, I ordered these hats last night. They arrived today. I see you, Amazon. I see you.